You're so freaking annoying, Memphis. Stay on your freaking blanket! I've tamed the beast.
It's like if he's not moving, he's sneezing.
Right now he's just trying to breathe.
Aww. Is he okay?
Yeah, he's just talking all the time. It's okay, you know how to breathe. Just like you do it all the time. I hate when he does that. There's nothing you can do.
Does he have the sniffles?
No, he just doesn't breathe right. Because of how long his body is.
Yeah.
And how close he is to the ground. It's just like gravity weighing on him. Back to work. Right, Memphis?
Yep, back to work.
I like this. This works. Please stop. Best friends. Forever. What is going on? Why is it open all the way?
No, it is.
That was weird. It looked the same though.
Well, that was my finger being like...
Dream couple. Nose strip. Was my finger on your nose? Tell me where
Almost.
to go.
Oh,
Right here?
left. Right. Left. Right. Perfect.
And here.
In there.
Do I got mine?
In there.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you moved. In there.
You get it.
In there.
Yeah. Got bugger.
See him.
Don't look at my bugs.
It's the lullabies I sing out of tune. That's probably what did it. With a twin-sized mattress and a mattress I was 7.
But she falls off again. She'll find another guy to like.
She don't know why the gods on her. Oh, but he's trying.
Holy moly.
Who doesn't have time
What
for
the
other relationships and all that?
Are you kidding me?
Why is this what about this happening to good people?
Why did you do this?
I like a challenge.
It was all Hobo's fault.
It's all, nothing's Hobo's fault.
He's such a bummy, crusty, cruddy father. Every girl he takes to coffee. How excited are you? One day to go. One whole day. And then we will be true Hobo G fans.
You know he's broken, but he is too open against your coat, and I have to poop really bad.
Okay, have fun.
You don't need a friend,
Because you have your poop.
cause I have my poop.
As always, I'm laying in bed because I'm dying. I have a lovely infection right now that makes me die. So we're gonna film or record some music while I slowly die. What'd you say?
Are you watching a video of me?
No, I see you.
How do you see me?
I see you.
I'm so confused.
That is the biggest poop you've ever taken in your life.
Oh my god,
Boy, old man. Is that better?
that was better.
Might not like it. And I've been looking for someone that I can buy my drugs from. Seems like every blood bends to Utah became one man. 3 more hours!
3 more hours!
3 more hours!
Hobo!
G.
Hobo!
G. This isn't Hobo G.
Hobo!
G.
That is not Hobo.
That's not Hobo G. This is our song. It's the song that brought us together, and it was how we met, and it's our song. So here we go.
This song is dedicated to Mario and Link due to their undying perseverance.
Mario's never getting some, Link's never getting some, so why would princesses love me? I work in fucking pizza places just so I keep eating. It's the type of shit. First of my soul, I just killed a dragon though. I just killed a dragon though, but it's whatever. I don't even care that much. Oh my god, babe! Relationship. It's our song. It's our song. It tells the story about us, and we love it. We hope you love it too.
not fine, or the people ain't happy, and the river has run dry. Running away.
Dallas, what the is that? I'm not a nice guy. He's not a nice guy. Why did the chicken cross the road? I don't know. What's the deal with young chickens? I want an older chicken that knows that grown business. You know?
Have you heard the story of the guy who decided not to die? He figured living was just easier than falling really high. Saw and heard about it later. Thought maybe that is why I'm enamored with the thought of seeing angels in the skies.
Here's the thing, started off right. It was cool, it was all pretend. Our first tour, pretty much ever. And it's sold out in 3 hours. It freaks me out when I go to sleep. Oh, Mario's never getting sung. Please never getting sung. Ha! What's your name? How are you? How's your life? Oh, you got a man? Are you loving so